wake up already tired, not because the day has been hard, but because your mind never truly rested. You rush out of bed, rush through breakfast, rush into traffic, rush into work, rush back home, and even at night, you rush to sleep. Your body is always moving, but your heart feels strangely stuck. And one day quietly you ask yourself, why does life feel so empty, even when I'm doing everything right? Let me tell you about someone just like you. His name was Alex, 26 years old, smart, ambitious, always busy. His phone never left his hand. Notifications ruled his attention. He believed that if he stopped even for a moment, he would fall behind. Every morning was a race. Every night was exhaustion. One day, late for work again, Alex ran through a red light. A car screeched. Brakes screamed. Time froze. He survived, but something inside him broke. In the hospital, staring at the ceiling, attached to wires and silence, he whispered, I was in such a hurry, but I don't even know where I was going. That was the first quiet moment he had felt in years. Here is the truth most people never realize. Your rush is not productivity. Your rush is fear. Fear of falling behind. Fear of being forgotten. Fear of not being enough. So you keep moving, because if you stop, you might feel the emptiness you've been running from. But silence is not your enemy. Silence is the mirror. Zen monks used to say, when the mind moves faster than the breath, suffering begins. Nature never rushes, yet everything is completed. Trees do not hurry. Rivers do not panic. Stars are never late. And yet, they reach perfection. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, do every act of your life as though it were the very last act of your life. Not in panic, but in presence. When you rush, you stop feeling. You stop noticing. You stop living. You eat without tasting. Talk without listening. Work without purpose. Rest without peace. And then you wonder why happiness never arrives. But happiness does not run. Happiness waits. Ask yourself honestly, why am I always in a hurry? What am I afraid to feel in silence? Who am I when nothing is distracting me? If you removed all noise from your life, would you finally hear yourself? Slow is not weak. Slow is controlled. The calm person sees clearly. The rushed person lives in blur. You do not need more speed. You need more presence. Starting today, walk slower. Eat without your phone. Breathe before reacting. Do one thing at a time. Let silence enter your life without fear. Your nervous system will heal. Your mind will stabilize. Your emotions will soften. And slowly, your life will start to feel real again. One day, if you don't slow down, life will slow you down. Through burnout, through loss, through breakdown. The question is, will you choose to slow down yourself, or will life choose for you? Alex didn't change overnight. But now he walks, he breathes. He no longer measures his worth by speed. And for the first time in his life, he feels alive. You don't need to run to prove your value. Your worth is not measured in speed. Slow down before life forces you to. If this message touched something inside you, you're not alone. Take a moment after this video, sit in silence, and just breathe. If you want more stories that heal the mind and awaken the soul, subscribe to this channel. And remember, your life is not a race. It is a journey. Walk